Oh, there you are. What happened?
I'm not entirely sure.
You said Millie was going to win.
She didn't?
No, Bambi Weeks did. Uh-oh. Okay, break it up.
Break what up? I was just congratulating Bambi on her award.
And I was just saying how lucky Millie is to even have been nominated.
Oh, okay, Brett. Still nothing.
Well, I'll leave you to celebrate with your friends, and once again, congratulations.
Wow, I'm impressed. I expect you to throw a fit, or at least a chair.
Well, I'm taking the high road, Stan.
And now, we present the prestigious Gary Blair Smith Award for ongoing contribution to children's literacy worldwide to Millie Upton.
This. I mean, I was expecting a different one because of what the Mafia said, but this is great. So great. Oh, and I want to make sure that I don't forget to say a very special suck on it to Bambi Weeks. Hey, Bambi, how's your dinky little hood ornament? This here's the big banana. Woo! Mwah! Woo!
She didn't really have anything prepared.
I won!
Anyway, so I pull up beside him and I say, look, Bill, if you're going to keep falling off, then I'm going back to the yacht.
Yeah, the three of us sure had fun that weekend.
You weren't there.
Yes, I was.
No, you weren't. Bill is my friend. You canceled, remember?
Oh, yeah. That was the weekend I went trail riding through Spain with Nelly Furtado.
You know Nelly Furtado?
I played saxophone in her first band.
I played poker with John Travolta.
Hey, so Millie won that thing. That's great.
Well, at least one thing went right tonight.
2 things. I might have signed another client.
Well, I'm glad everyone's having such a swell time.
You might know him, actually.
Well, hello there.
We just happened to bump into each other.
Nice tie. Is it silk? I'm Taylor, by the way.
Colin's actually looking for a new publisher. CQI, baby. CQI.
So I feel a sharp pain, and I look down, and an alligator's got me by the foot.
So you're saying you were bitten by an alligator while skinny dipping in the Amazon with Sting? We find that hard to believe.
You hang gliding with Justin Timberlake. That's all good.
You two are fascinating. I'm having a get-together on my yacht. You should come and bring friends.
Oh, for sure. Don't get too excited. That's Lyle. He's a gopher at Penguin. He's always coming to these things pretending to be some big shot.
Oh, I hate it when people do that. So tell us more about you and Sting.
Actually, we should probably be going.
Yeah, my helicopter is picking us up on the roof, so...
You know, Bambi, life is like a game of snakes and ladders. One minute you're at the bottom of a ladder with nothing. The next you're standing on top of a snake holding a big shiny trophy.
Well, maybe so, but I can't help but notice my award is actually, bigger.
Not anymore, it's not.
So, did you have fun?
Tons of fun.
Anna, do let us know when Warren Buffett is in town. We'd love to join you for a game of darts.
You know how to play darts?
I'll explain later.
It's a lovely dress. Is it from Italy? Hi, I'm your new best friend.
I really don't know how to thank you.
You wanna make out?
No.
I had to ask.
Sheila just told me she's getting her own parking spot. How come? No reason.
attention for a moment, please. I just wanted to thank you all for coming tonight, and to thank you for being my friends. I know I don't make it easy sometimes, but you always do your best to guide and support me and teach me and confuse me. And sometimes you tick me off, and sometimes you make me laugh harder than a monkey with a yo-yo. But I mean it when I say, I love you all.
Nice speech.
Weeks, you crashed my party.
She crashed the party.
That is not cool.
I wouldn't even call this a party.
You wouldn't, would you?
Yeah, it was going so well.
So Missy Grumpaloo jumped on the big, mean, stinky ape, pulled its hair and made it cry, and sent it back to the depths of the deep, dark jungle. And everyone was so happy, they gave Missy a big, shiny trophy, which is way better than just being nominated for one.
Oh!